Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Ghost Stanley dupe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you like my style of teaching and enjoy my work, you will really love my mentorship group. I have a link in the description if you would like to join us. We're going to start with a Big Betty from Tipsy Magnolia, and I have already prepped it and painted it white. My paint is fully dry, and I'm going to mix up a little bit of epoxy just to apply a very thin layer to apply my glitter. I am going to be using the glitter Black Light because it glows blue in the dark, and I thought this tumbler would be so cute with glow in the dark. I'm going to let that glitter and epoxy cure for a couple hours, and then I'm going to add a couple layers of epoxy until it is smooth. I am now going to cut out my Ghosts template. This is available on my Diamonds and Dust shop on Etsy, and I'm just going to extend it to fit around a Big Betty. So you're gonna have to measure your Big Betty once it has epoxy on it and extend it to that size. Take some scissors and cut the template away from the flying ghosts. So there's those clumped ghosts at the bottom. We're going to use those first. And since this is a tapered cup, you're not going to use all of the ghosts on the bottom of the template. We're just going to take what we have and kind of piece them together. If you have a ghost that comes up and over this curve, you're just gonna pull it pretty taut and make sure that ghost is down pretty smooth. Now we are going to do a peekaboo with this, so if it's got a little bit of a wrinkle in there, it's not gonna matter. So just get it as smooth as you can. As you can see, I have just cut these ghosts away in sections so I can just place them perfectly around that bottom section. Now we are going to take the upper half of our template, and before we tack it down, we're just gonna kind of slide it around to make sure those top ghosts aren't overlapping the bottom ghosts. Just because we kind of had to edit this template, they aren't going to line up as perfect. So if I found out that one of the ghosts was gonna overlap the bottom ghost, I just cut that ghost out and then moved it up and placed it by hand. Now we are going to take some black paint and coat our entire tumbler. I am just using chalk paint. You can use spray paint if you wish. I just like chalk paint because it dries super fast and I can use it in my home. Let that paint dry, and then we are going to go back and we are going to remove all of our little ghosts. You should have something left that looks like this, and we are going to take it over to our turner and add a layer of epoxy. Now at this step, you can leave it as is if you would like, but I thought it would be really cute if I took some of my very favorite super duper chunky glitter. It's called Juicy, and it is just mesmerizing over a black or dark base. It kind of gives you a little bit of a rainbow shift, and I thought that would make this tumbler be a little bit more fun, so I added that just around those ghosts. Go ahead and cut out the offset of your ghosts in whatever color you would like. Since I used that juicy glitter and it kind of gave it a rainbow shift, I thought it'd be really cute to cut it out in kind of a gradient pattern. So I am going to just apply the offsets around each ghost. Now you're going to take your tumbler back over to your turner and apply the final layers of epoxy. And here is our cute ghost tumbler all finished. I think this turned out absolutely adorable. I love that opal shift on that black base that gave it those little fun little specks of rainbow. Stay till the end to see the adorable glow.